Sorry, Tara, I just gave Tara a break.
That's Tara, by the way.
Hi everyone, we're back for another song with Ceilidh and Co.
I hope you've had a good week.
Yeah, it's another Scottish song which involves a lot of instruments, doesn't it, Corinne?
It does. A lot of instruments and a lot of vegetables as well.
Indeed. What are Scottish vegetables?
Any
particularly?
idea?
This is about a man called Aiken Drum.
Drum.
So join in if you know it. There came a man to Urton, There came a man to Urton, and his name was Aiken Drum. And he played upon a ladle, and he played upon a ladle, and his name was Aiken Drum. Now, his heed, what was his heed made out of,
Oh,
Corinne?
I didn't care. What was his heed made out of? Give us a clue.
It's something that you eat that's really, really Scottish.
Oh, I can. Stews. It's haggis.
His heat was made a haggis, haggis. His heat was made a haggis, and his name was Aiken Drum. And he played upon a shaker, and he played upon a shaker, and his name was Aiken Drum. Now, next was his eames.
Oh, his eames, his eyes. That's
His
what
eyes.
eames are, eh?
Now, they were made out of a type of fruit.
A type of fruit. Now, what kind of fruit? Can you give us a clue?
Small and blue.
Small and... Oh! Blueberries!
His scenes were made a blueberries. His scenes were made a blueberries, and his name was Aiken Drum. And he played upon a saucepan, and he played upon a saucepan, and his name was Aiken Drum. Now, next was his moo.
Oh, his
Moo's your mouth.
Your mouth. Right, what could that be? Oh, give us a clue.
It's your favourite thing to eat.
Shortbread!
His moo was made a shortbread. His moo was made a shortbread, and his name was Aiken Drum. And he played upon a tambourine, and he played upon a tambourine, and his name was Aiken Drum. Now next was his neb. Neb is your nose.
Oh, no. What could that be? Give us a clue, come on. What's
Okay, give you a clue. It is something that the dogs love to eat.
Oh, my dogs love carrots.
His neb was made a carrots. His neb was made a carrots, and his name was Aiken Drum. And he played upon a triangle, and he played upon a triangle, and his name was Aiken Drum. Oh, hello.
Hello.
So, next was his cheeks.
Oh, his cheeks.
His cheeks.
What could they be made of?
His cheeks. Now, I'll give you a clue. It goes with haggis.
Oh, it goes with haggis.
Aye.
Neeps.
Aye! His cheeks were made in neeps. His cheeks were made in neeps, and his name was Aiken Drum. And he played upon some claves, and he played upon some claves, and his name was Aiken Drum. Now the last thing was his lugs.
His lugs.
Lugs are your ears.
Now, what could his ears be made of? Oh, that's a hard one.
I'll give you a clue.
Okay.
It goes with haggis and the neeps.
Oh,
Haggis, neeps, and
haggis, neeps, and tatties.
His lugs were made of tatties. His lugs were made of tatties, and his name was Aiken Drum. And he played upon some bells, and he played upon some bells, and his name was Aiken Drum. There came a man to Urton, There came a man to Urton, and his name was Aiken Drum. Thanks so much for watching.
Oh, now listen, before we forget, can you all draw a picture of Aiken Drum?
Yeah, make your own Aiken Drum.
And would you send us photos of it? Because we'd love to see them all.
So put them onto our Facebook page and leave them in the comments on YouTube. I think you can leave a picture there. I'm not entirely sure, but definitely pop it onto our Facebook page.
We'd love to see all of them.
Yeah.
And pass the video on to your friends. And we'd like to make a big gallery, which we'll then put up on Facebook and in YouTube if we can.
And subscribe to our channel if you've enjoyed this so you can watch our songs next week. Lovely.
See you
Bye.
next Friday. Have a great week.